Hi, in this question we need to find the mass m and center of mass for the lamina bounded by the graphs of equation of given density as y to be equals to under root of x, y to be equals to 0, x is equals to 4 and rho is equals to k times y. So we can find the mass m, that will be equals to integration from 0 to 4, integration from 0 to root of x, here rho which is ky dy dx, and this is equals to k times integration from 0 to 4. Here we get y square by 2, limits from 0 to root x dx, and this will be further equals to k times integration from 0 to 4. Here we get x by 2 dx, and this will be equals to k by 2 times x raised to power 2 by 2, limits from 0 to 4. And solving this further, we get a value for mass m, that it will be equals to 4 times k. Further solving for the center of mass, we find the value for mx first, that will be equals to integration from 0 to 4, integration from 0 to root x, ky times y dy dx, that will be equals to integration from 0 to 4. Here k times integrating with respect to y of y square, we get y raised to power 3 by 3, limits from 0 to root x dx, and this will be equals to k times integration from 0 to 4. Here we get x raised to power 3 by 2 divide by 3 dx, and solving this further, we get this to be equals to k by 3 times x raised to power 5 by 2 divide by 5 by 2, limits from 0 to 4. Substituting the limits, we get mx to be equals to 64 k by 15. Next, solving for my, that it will be equals to integration from 0 to 4, integration from 0 to under root x, k times xy dy dx, and this will be equals to k times integration from 0 to 4, integrating with respect to y, we get x times y square by 2, limits from 0 to root x dx, and this will be equals to k by 2, integration from 0 to 4, x times, here substituting y as under root x whole square, we get x only dx, and this will be equals to k by 2 times x square, that will be x raised to power 3 by 3, limits from 0 to 4. And substituting the limits and solving further, we get m of y to be equals to 32 k by 3. So from here we can find the x coordinate for the center of mass, that is my by m, which is 32 k by 3 divided by 4k, and we get this to be equals to 8 by 3, and the y coordinate of center of mass, that is mx by m, that is equals to 64 k by 15 divided by 4k, and this will be equals to 16 by 15. So from here we can write our final answer for the center of mass as 8 by 3, 16 by 15. Hope you understood the solution. Thank you.